Welcome to another video, you guys, and this is a video tour of our time in Johannesburg, South Africa. We want to thank the Sibara family for hosting us on our trip and making these tours of Johannesburg possible, as well as making introductions to your amazing network. If you like what you see of our trip and would like to work with them, we've included their contact information in the description of this video. Shout out to the Sibara family. Thank you so much for making this trip unforgettable. And now, on with the tour of South Africa.
Hey y'all, thanks for continuing to watch our adventures in South Africa with the Sibara family. To see the full tour, check out our members only. Thanks again to the Sibara family and enjoy this tour of some apartments in Munyaka, Waterfall City.
So we in Munyaka. I hope I said that right. Munyaka. All right. So we're still in Joburg. Munyaka. So Daniel just gonna show you what we got going on here. Here in the dining room. Literature for the options. Okay. This is nice. You got your appliances right over here. Dishwasher, washing machine, your double sinks. So we got electric stove for this one. Nice. That's not really your favorite though, right? Yeah. Cause I mean, gas. Yeah. Oh, he put on coffee in here. Yeah. Well, we can eat after this. A nice living room. Nice. Yeah, this is nice. Nice TV right here. This is cool. Okay, all right. So this is cool. And then this veranda or balcony, whatever. And then I didn't even. Let's just look at that. I don't really know what to say. Just let it speak for itself. Go ahead. It just kind of crept up on us. Yeah, do you see how it curves? Like, are we in the Bahamas now all of a sudden? Yeah. attention to the storage, your clothes. Okay.
Yeah, again, all of this was brought to us by the information, the location.
I like this. Yeah. This is and here's the other. It's like things just creep up on you. Like this is, look at that. That's cool. Nice bathroom, nice shower. Got your window here, got your ventilation and whatnot. See, this is nice. No cabin. Say again. I think you're right. I think you're right. That well first, but I think you're right. Okay, so that was that room. There's another. Oh, okay, back here. So we come in back here. Oh, nice. More hall storage. More hall storage. Okay. And so I guess we can go in here. So I guess another single. Yeah, to make the areas bigger. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, and then you saw this big mirror already, so it just kind of helps make it feel bigger. So they try to have creative ways to use the space, elongate it. Yeah. Yeah, I showed him that. Yeah, I thought that reminded me of Rhonda as well. It didn't. Little seating here, and I don't know. Is this the master? I guess they're all the same size. Yeah, I think. Oh, okay, nice. This is cool. I like these shelves. Oh, yeah. True, there is no double sink. You're right. And this is like. No, Okay. It did? Okay. Oh yeah, because she's double sink. Nice. So this is cool. This is wow. Oh yeah. Oh, thanks so very much. So this is it. This is So this is the Munyaka setup, essentially. In Waterfall Hills, not Parkhurst, Waterfall City. Thank you. Okay. I think that's it for me, Daniel.
Congratulations for landing on this page that changes your life. We invite you to join us at the Move Abroad in 3 Easy Steps workshop. This workshop, as I said, it's going to change your life. How's it going to do that? The Move Abroad workshop is a 2-hour workshop that our family created to teach people awareness to their foundational reasons for moving abroad. Those foundational reasons are knowing your why, operating within budget, and taking ownership by learning to do the research yourself. Look, everything we've done in life, we did it with the awareness that these foundational reasons, again, why, budget, and research are the keys to success. If you think you're scared to leave, you need to make sure that your why is very clear. If you won't move because you think there isn't enough money to make it, budgeting is your answer. Let's say you have what you think is a visa/citizenship problem. You don't have that problem. What you have is a research problem. And if you can't decide on a target country, a destination, because you keep on changing your mind, the problem is that you have a need for an objective system that you can execute, and you'll get that with us. In the Move Abroad workshop in 3 Easy Steps, we will work with you for those 2 hours and teach you the significance of the 3 values and the important aspects of each one of them. At the end of the 2 hours, you're going to have a plan on how to get started with your move abroad. Looky, we have literally had people that followed our plan, and they've done things like taken a scouting trip to El Salvador, visited Tanzania. Heck, they moved to East Africa, scouted out Kenya, and all in all, saved thousands of dollars. We're going to look forward to seeing you at the workshop and get ready to have your plan to get started with your move abroad. By the way, you don't have to take our word for it. We want you to take a listen to these testimonials. Thank you.
I'm a checklist type of person, so I really appreciate the handouts you guys gave us, because that's going to be very, very useful to me getting started, to just keep things kind of organized. So thank you again. When I saw this on YouTube, I was so excited, and I was like, I gotta sign up. I want to hear, what if this is the real thing. So this is a confirmation. And keep doing what you're doing, because there's so many of us that want to leave.
This is most helpful in many ways. One in particular, the integrity that your entire family present. I really enjoy. I like that. I mean, because it just resonates and allows me to say I feel comfortable. I feel safe with making certain types of decisions and stuff like that because of the wealth of information that you provide. I like that, and it's very concrete, systematic. So I appreciate that, like how you identify having a system, to have a system, like what is important.
This experience was really great. It gave me more of an understanding of what it takes, and to know it's important to know your why and that you're doing this for the right reasons and the best reasons possible. And you have given us resources and tools that will enable us to have a great starting point. And I really appreciate this workshop.